that a shop is exposed to, and also peace of mind by ensuring smooth running of business. Reliance Shopkeepers Package Policy is a comprehensive policy designed for shop owners to provide cover against loss or damage to both the structure of shop as well as its contents and other incidental business activities. Why choose Reliance? Its unique package plan, instant policy insurance, simplified claim process. Now, why is shopkeepers insurance policy required? Continuity business is basic requirement for survival of business and for providing financial stability to its owner. Hence, it's become very important to secure this means of livelihood to safeguard a small and medium size shop owner from various risks related to its shop and contents. A comprehensive insurance policy is required. Now, feature and reliance policy provides protection to small and medium sized shops on a property. A. Coverage available against fire and allied perils like explosion, riots, flood, earthquake, etc. For insured property, shop building of its contents. Protection of insured property against loss or damage due to housebreaking and burglary. Coverage available against electrical and mechanical breakdown of insured electrical, mechanical, and electronic equipment. Coverage available shop for owner's money. The money collected in the conduct of business while in transit from shop premises to bank and vice versa, loss due to the money collected robbery in theft. It also provides coverage to shop owners' money kept in safe and till. Additional coverages. It provides coverage against risk associated with top shop's owner, employees like accidental injury or death under personal accident section. One may also cover the infidelity, dishonesty of employees and legal liability towards the third party within the premises. Customized cover. Shop owners can select coverage under various sections of Reliance Shopkeepers insurance policy as per their requirement, affordability, and choice. Affordable premium. Reliance Shopkeepers insurance policy provides comprehensive coverage at affordable premium. We provide additional discounts if a wider coverage is opted under the policy. Easy documentation for insurance and Reliance Shopkeepers insurance policy. For covering the various sections, only a single proposal form is required. Further, no hassle of providing proof of ownership is required at the inception. Now, what does the policy cover? At Reliance General Insurance, we strive to negate all possible risks that you could encounter at your shop, keeping your requirements in mind. We have tried to pack in maximum coverage for a variety of substitutions in our shopkeeper's policy. Fire and allied perils like floods, cyclone and riots, electronic equipments and appliances like gadgets and computers, burglary and housebreaking, mechanical and electrical appliances, money insurance and personal accident. We also provide coverage against baggage, fixed glass and sanitary fittings, neon sign, glow sign hoarding, infidelity, dishonesty of employees, legal liability towards employees, legal liabilities toward third party. Add-on covers available with the policy under section 1 standard fire and special perils escalation in value of fixed assets, terrorism, Loss of rent to the owner of premises as a result of cover provided under this section. Rent for alternative accommodation following a loss under this section as a result of which the premises becomes uninhabitable and hence this has to be temporarily shifted. What does the policy not cover? Loss or damage to the insured property by pollution or contamination. Loss or damage due to war or war-like perils, nuclear and atomic radiation. Loss or damage due to wear and tear, gradual deterioration or slowly developing flaws. Consequential loss of any kind. Willful act or gross negligence of the insured resulting or loss or damage. Loss or damage due to housebreaking when a family member is involved in the same. Faults in electrical appliances existing at the time of commencement of policy or manufacturing defects. Injury or death resulting from participation in dangerous sports, hobbies, use of alcohol, intoxicants, or resulting from HIV/AIDS. Loss or damage caused by or due to action of any lawfully constituted authority or government body. Loss or damage for which the manufacturer, supplier, repair, transporter, or any other third party is responsible for either in law or under a contract. Loss or damage due to war and or war-like perils, nuclear and or atomic radiation. Now, what is shopkeeper insurance? Shopkeeper insurance is developed to protect small and medium-sized shop owners from various risks. Small and medium-sized shop owners' business is always exposed to certain risk as loss to shop building and contents within the shop building, potential liability towards property and people, money in transit or in safe, etc. All these are covered under this shopkeeper insurance, where the insured is compensated for the loss. Why the shopkeeper insurance policy is necessary? Shopkeeper insurance policy is a comprehensive package policy which provides financial protection to insured shop assets and other risk exposures related to business activity in a single documentation. If there was been a short circuit in the shopping center that caused a fire and damaged my property, can I claim damages from my society? If the shopping center has been insured against the risk of fire, then the spread of fire to be insured premises is covered. You could claim damages. I own a shop in the shopping center that has been insured by the society. Do I still need insurance? The insurance offered by your society may offer a limited cover, typically including only common property like external structure of the building, not the contents of your shop. You need to have risk cover for such contents that may include items such as business assets, stock in trade, equipment, and electrical and mechanical appliances. Your shopkeeper's policy insures all these against fire and allied perils, burglary and theft, accidental breakdowns, and other misfortunes. What happens to my shopkeeper insurance policy if I sell my shop? You can cancel the policy and take a refund from the insurance company. So this is it for today for shopkeeper's package insurance policy. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.